Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to go over some of the best crypto exchanges for UK. As you can see at the top, we have Kraken with 9.7 review, and then you see it has all of these features that you can check out. Then for Coinbase, it has a 9.4 review. Then for Revolut and all these things. Now let's look at some of the very basic things that you're going to get. Now the first one, which is Kraken, it is ranked 1. So good things about it is that it's secure, reliable, and the bad thing is that it has not the most helpful customer support. There's also low fees, which is good, and you have a good amount of fiat currencies accepted. Then for Coinbase, they accept fiat currencies. It is simple to use. It accepts only the most trustworthy, which is good, and it's very secure. But they do not have some of the less known coins because they aren't supported. So if you're looking for entry level coins, let's say just newly launched, then obviously Coinbase isn't your way to go. Next up, for Revolut, it is simple to use. It supports various crypto coins. It is a fast growing platform. Bad things are high fees, and there is also withdrawal limitations. You cannot withdraw all of your $1 million at once. Maybe you can try sending them to my account. Anyways, moving on to the next one, OKX, strong security. It has 650 plus trading pairs, which is very good, good functionality, low fees, and it's not recommended for newbies. If you're just trying to get into market, it's not for you. Last but not the least, Uphold. It is fully reserved and transparent, multiple tradable asset classes, early token, over 265 supported cryptos. As you can see, it also has multiple additional features like wallets, cards, and the things that are not good about it is that there is no live customer support, which will suck for many people, and it also has a steeper learning curve, which means it will take you some time to learn it. Now, again, as it goes, it depends on what type of user you are and what you are truly looking for. But mostly Kraken is the most, voted one, and I would say go for it. Things like that. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.